good. Today we are tying another head wrap and I am here with my material. So you guys should get yours as well and let's do this together. Okay? All you need is focus, focus, focus and focus. So guys, just look at what I'm doing. I'm about to make some pleats. I need to make some pleats, okay? You that you say pleating is not easy, focus your eyes and see. I'm taking my thumb inside. Look at the way my hand is being placed to make this pleat. And you try it out, you're gonna get it. So I made like 4 pleats here for this head wrap. Okay, so I'm still on pleating. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, you are coming across my video for the first time, welcome to my page. Thanks for stopping by to watch this, and do well to hit the follow button, subscribe to this channel for more airdrop tutorials like this. And before you leave, don't forget to leave your like, your comment and share this video. Alright, thank you for doing that. For you that you are returning, you're always here for me. Thanks so much. I will never take that for granted. So I'm done with pleating. You can see I made like 4 pleats here and it's just to cross at the back. Okay, I think I forget to tell you that this gele is divided into 50-50. This week I've been on 50-50 sharing. So that is what the network is bringing. So we go for 50-50 this week. Today is Friday. I'm releasing this video on Friday. So this week we used 50-50 all through. So you see, I began to twist both sides, twist this and twisted the other side. Then I knots at the front like this. This is a sharp one, very fast. I'm making that pleat to give a fold you see, so like that. Then I'll be pinning it at the back. You see, is what you can do in 5 minutes. You are done. Okay, so I'm done with that and I'll be working with this. Same thing goes for this. Okay, pleat down to give it that shape. Then you stretch it out and you pin it at the back. You can see super fast it is. Okay, so it is not difficult, it's just determination. I can, that is what you need. I can do it. Okay, so I'm always done. Then I pick both together, which I'll be using my office pin to pack or to tack both of them together, and before you know it, you are ready for your owambe. So try this out. Let me know in the comment section what do you feel about it. Share, comment, like, follow and subscribe. Okay, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I know you guys are wonderful. Okay, so I'll be seeing you in my next video, but before then, try this and let me get feedback. God bless you.